What if I told you that you can make money even while you're sleeping? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build passive income streams that work for you 24/7. No matter where you are or what you're doing, stay with me to the end because I'll share one bonus tip that could double your earnings. Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your phone to see money flowing into your account. No 9-to-5 grind, no stress about bills. Just a steady stream of income that you set up once and let it work for you. That's the magic of passive income. But first, let's break it down. What is passive income? It's money you earn with minimal effort after the initial setup. Think of it as planting a tree. It takes effort to grow, but once it's there, it keeps giving you shade, fruits, and oxygen. Sounds great, doesn't it? Types of passive income streams. Now, let's dive into some proven ways to build passive income. I'll start with the simplest ones and move on to more advanced strategies. Investments in stocks and dividends. Visuals of stock charts and dividends pouring into a wallet. Did you know you can own a tiny part of big companies like Apple or Tesla? When they make profits, they pay dividends to their shareholders. That's you. It's as easy as downloading an investment app and starting small. Real estate rental income. Scenes of homes, just apartments with "for rent" signs. Owning property can be a goldmine. Rent it out, and you have a steady paycheck every month. Even platforms like Airbnb make it easy to rent out a room or property. Digital products. Graphics showing ebooks, online courses, and templates. Do you have knowledge or skills to share? Create an ebook or online course. Once it's live, people buy it again and again while you relax. Affiliate marketing. Split screen of someone blogging or on YouTube promoting products. Recommend products you love and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. It's that simple. YouTube and content creation. Show a successful YouTuber's journey. Making videos might take time up front, but they can generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and more. Plus, it's a lot of fun. Now that you know the types of passive income, here are some tips to help you succeed. Start small, but start now. Choose what aligns with your interests and skills. Be consistent and patient. It takes time to see results. So, there you have it, your guide to building passive income. But wait, here's the bonus tip I promised. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video that can transform your financial future. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you'll try first.